when arrest of ladies or often thought as illegal.
Distraught about the matter concerning with women, whether it is a case of harassment or incidents of abuse of women or rape cases, women ought to be shielded from increase in crime against them. Many cases have been reported where women are being abused in police arrest or in police custody. The increase in the cases of abuse of modesty of women underneath police custody has affected the integrity and dignity of women. In this article, author will look if it violates any law or will find out if there is any law related to that or can say as to which the arrest of women is often thought about as ineligible just in case it done once after sunset and before sunrise. Is there any provision under Criminal Procedure Code which is violative of provisions of Constitution of India regarding the illegal arrest of women? Here, we'll conjointly discuss the Supreme Court call in certain cases with respect to illegal arrest. I can hear the roar of women's silence. Thomas Sankara. According to the 135th Law Commission report, based on discussion of CRPC 1973, it is illegal to arrest women after sunset and before sunrise, even if there is a woman constable accompanying the officers. The police then also cannot arrest the women in restricted duration. If a case arises where the woman has committed a dreadful act or crime, the police ought to take written permission from the magistrate explaining the official why the arrest is important throughout the night. After the scrutiny of the cases associated with women, amendment was brought in CRPC 1973. As per section 46 of 4 of CRPC, ladies can't be in remission once the sunset. This amendment is done due to the sundry of incidents associated with harassment of women by police officers through dark. It was to secure the modesty of women for their welfare and security. According to the section 46, arrest how made. In making an arrest, the police officer or other person making the same shall actually touch or confine the body of the person to be arrested, unless there be a submission to the custody by word or action. If such person forcibly resists the endeavor to arrest him or attempts to evade the arrest, such police officer or other person may use all means necessary to effect the arrest. Nothing in this section gives a right to cause the death of a person who is not accused of an offence punishable with death or with imprisonment for life. Save in exceptional circumstances, no woman shall be arrested after sunset and before sunrise. And where such exceptional circumstances exist, the woman police officer shall, by making a written report, obtain the prior permission of the judicial magistrate of the first class within whose local jurisdiction the offence is committed or the arrest is to be made. Section 46 of 4 tells us that, as per this provision, police can't arrest a woman after sunset or before sunrise, except in some exceptional circumstances. And even in those circumstances, before arresting a woman, police officer has to obtain the prior permission from the judicial magistrate of first class who has the jurisdiction in particular case. By submitting a written report about such exceptional circumstances, an arrest can be made in presence of women police. Therefore, unless a written report is submitted to the JMFC by a woman police officer explaining the exceptional circumstances which require arrest of women in restricted duration, and unless the JMFC grants prior approval for such arrest, a woman cannot be arrested during such restricted time period. Where the violation of particular provision is done, Remedial action can be taken against that police officer who has made such arrest, and the arrest can be declared illegal. And an offense can be registered against the arresting police officers for making such illegal arrest.
Part 2 will be continue with related provisions and case laws. Please subscribe our channel for more information about law.